So, hi students, welcome to our physics class now, that is physical science class, classification of elements and the periodic table. Next, one more topic, important one. What is electron affinity? How does it vary in groups and periods? In the previous videos, we explained what is atomic radius, how does it vary in groups and periods, what is ionization energy, and how does it vary in groups and periods. In the previous videos, we explained. So, you can see all these topics in the playlist. Classification of elements and the periodic table playlist. Many topics are there in the form of important topics. Now, what about electron affinity? Electron affinity can also be called electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. So, another name for electron affinity, students, electron gain enthalpy. But what is electron affinity definition? But in the previous video, we explained what is ionization energy. Energy required to remove electron from outermost shell of an atom in the gaseous state. It means that for removing electron, energy needed is ionization energy. But here, when electron is added to the atom in the ground state, energy released is called electron affinity. So, energy released when an electron is added to the ground state of an atom in the gaseous state is called electron affinity. In short form, it is denoted by E dot A. So, energy released when an electron is added to the ground state of an atom in the gaseous state. That is, when electron is introduced into the ground shell or least energy shell of an atom which is in the gaseous state can be considered as electron affinity. Electron affinity units are same as ionization energy units. So, units of electron affinity are electron volts and kilojoule per mole. So, units of electron affinity and units of ionization energy both are same, students. So, you know ionization energy units are electron volts denoted by EV, electron volt, and kilojoule per mole. K, kilo, J means joule, and this is per, and it is a mole. Now, variation of electron affinity in groups. Electron affinity in groups can also change similar to the change of ionization energy in groups. But in the previous video, we explained in a group ionization energy decreases from top to bottom because of atomic radius increases. Here also, in a group from top to bottom, electron affinity decreases because atomic size or atomic radius increases. So, this is similar to the change of ionization energy. Ionization energy can be changed, so can be changed in the decreasing pattern in a group from top to bottom because increase of atomic size. Similar to that, electron affinity also decreases from top to bottom in a group because of atomic size increases. Next, variation of electron affinity in periods. Variation of electron affinity in periods. So in a group from top to bottom, electron affinity decreases because atomic size increases. So you know groups are nothing but vertical columns and periods are called horizontal rows. But it is opposite to this. In a period from left to right, electron affinity increases because atomic size decreases. So in a period from left to right, atomic size decreases. That is why electron affinity values increase in a period from left to right. So variation of electron affinity in groups and periods is similar to variation of ionization energy in groups and periods. So most important topic, what is electron affinity? How does it vary in groups and periods, students? In the next video, what is electronegativity? How does it vary in groups and periods? We can explain in the next video.